What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tuned Engines, and today we're gonna prepare the 69C10 for paint. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is sand it down. We're gonna use some 1500 sandpaper to go ahead and smooth out the paint and get ready for some clear coat.
Look into my eyes and tell me the way I feel. Tell me the way I feel.
Alright guys, now that we sand it down the truck, we're actually going to go ahead and wash it off so we can make sure we have a clean surface to paint and put the clear coat on. Alright guys, so now you can see that the truck is pretty much clean, but there's some spots that we have to go ahead and hit again, like this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and wash a little bit more to make sure we have a clean finish. So now we're going to start masking down everything. We're going to cover all the stuff that we want clear coat to get on. Alright guys, so now we got the truck ready for paint. In the next video we're gonna be applying the clear coat to the truck so it can bring back the shininess of it. And we're gonna be using some spray guns. But I'll see you next time guys.